Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Code for Kids. So today we are going to learn about the cost project. Okay, so what I will do first, I will run this project, I will show you. Okay, so see, so here we have our ghost hunter. You have to press S to start, you have to press I for instruction. Suppose first, I will press the I. So, what you will get here, your goal is to find the evil ghost who is hiding among all the good ghosts. You don't have long, so hurry up. Press space to fire your blaster. Okay. After that, we have to press M to go back to the menu and press S to start if you want to start your project. After that, you have a ghost. So, you need to just press your space bar. Okay. You have to find out who is evil. You have to find out who is evil. See? So you have to find out special one. See, we have only 43 time left. Okay. So you have to just press your space. See, took off me. So as you can see, the score is 10. So we have to create this project. Okay. First thing, we have to add some backdrop. So as you can see in the backdrop section, we have, this is our first backdrop. After that, we have our main screen, which is ghost hunter. Press S to start, press I for instruction. After that, we have the third backdrop, which is your goal is to find the evil ghost who is hiding. Then you have to write level 2, and in the level 2 we have our next backdrop, which is the bedroom. Okay, so you have to add all these backdrops. So it means we have to add 5 backdrop. After that, we have to add a sprite. Okay, so this is our first sprite. For this first sprite, we have a second costume as this one. After that, we have our second sprite, but for second sprite we have only one costume. For third sprite, we have one costume. For fourth sprite, we have one costume. And this is our player. Okay. So it means we have to add 5 backdrop, 5 sprite. So now I will explain you the first sprite, which is ghost special. If you will click on that, what will happen? Your score will increase. Okay. So first thing, when S key is pressed, okay, from where we will get this S key, we need to just go to the event. We have to take this space, and here we need to select your S key. Okay. After that, what we want to show this sprite, and initially our costume is 1. After that, inside the forever means we want to move that again and again continuously. For that, we have to glide. Glide means we have to move from one position to another. Here, for x-axis, we have to pick a random value. For y-axis also, we have to pick a random value. Okay, so how you will decide this value? Suppose this is our x-axis. We want to move from this position to here. So as you can see, here we have a value minus 235. If you will take this here, you will get value. So you have to take a near about value. Okay. After that, what size we want for this sprite. So suppose I want 60%. In your case, if you want to add the bigger size or the smaller size, you have to add that. After that, if we will press the space key, what will happen? If you will press the space key, and if that will touch to your sprite one, okay, so we have to switch our costume to ghost to A, and it will say you got me for 2 seconds. We have to switch a costume. We need to broadcast one message here, and again it will go to one random position. So this is we have to do for our sprite one. Okay. After that, when flag is clicked, suppose we want to hide this, and when you will receive your label 2, you have to hide. You have to wait for 2 seconds and you have to show this. After that, again when we will press our S key, so what will happen? What we want to do here? We need to wait for 1 second. In the forever, if your time is equals to 0, you have to stop everything, because in that time, if you will get a 0, you have to stop everything. So this project is the mini project because it is a game. Okay. So you can try this project. I will give you the link in the description box so you can try this project. Okay. Whatever you have doubt in the comment section, you can ask me this doubt. So this is the code for our sprite 1, which is ghost special. Okay. After that, we will see for ghost 2. So for the ghost 2, because see, when we will press the S key, S means start key, we want to play the game. Okay, so we want to show our second sprite. Again it will glide means we have to move from one position to another, and whatever size you want for your sprite you can add. See, instead of this ghost, if you want to add other ghost like colorful or any dangerous, even you can do that. Okay, and when we will receive the level 2, we need to hide this. And after waiting for 2 seconds, we will create a clone. Clone means we have to create a duplicate. Okay. And again, when flag is clicked. Okay. So what we want to hide our sprite. When we will receive the level 2, again we have to do the same thing what we did in the sprite 1. After that, see, we broadcast the message in the sprite one. So when we will receive that message, again we have to glide. Okay. And see, here we created the clone. For that clone, what we want. So when I start as a clone, again we want to glide this, and we have to take our random value. And whatever size we want, we need to add that. Okay. After that, when S key is pressed, we have to wait for 1 second. In the forever, if your time is 0, you have to stop this game. Means the same coding what we did here, we have to do for our ghost 2 also. So this is the script for our ghost 2. As you can see, this is very easy, so you can try this. Okay. After that, we will see for ghost 3, everything is same here. Means when we will press the S key, we want to glide this at this random position. Again, we can increase or decrease the size according to our choice. When we will receive the level 2, again it will hide, it will create a clone. And when you will start the clone, for that, what we want here, we want, like when I start as a clone, we want to glide, and again what size you want for that new clone, that new duplicate. Okay. So see, every coding is same here. For all the sprite, we have to do the same coding. For ghost 4 also we have to do the same. So you can just copy and paste the coding. Okay. And if you want how to duplicate the coding, so what you need to do, suppose I want to copy this one into my other sprite. What you need to do, you need to take this and you have to put wherever you want. In which sprite you want, you need to put that. Okay. So this is the script for all our four ghosts. Okay. After that, we will see for our next sprite. So see again, when S key is pressed, so we want to play the game. It was we want to show the sprite. What size you want, you can take. So here I want 80%. So I took the 80%. Even you can increase or decrease this. And it is following my mouse, as you can see. It is following my mouse. Wherever I will take my mouse, you will get that. Okay. See, you got me. So here the score is 10 now. Okay. And it will come to your front layer. And again, when you will receive the level 2, for that, we want to hide this sprite. Okay. After that, what we want to do, when space key is pressed. So suppose if you want to attach any sound, even you can attach the sound according to your choice. After that, what will happen again if I will press the S key? It will wait for some time. If your time is equal to 0, we need to stop. It will say you scored, and whatever is your score, point, good job. Okay. And for that, we need to create a variable also, which is score and time. So how you will create a variable? You need to make a variable, write down whatever name you want. Suppose I want to create ABC variable and okay. So you will get your ABC variable here. Okay. After that, what we want, this is just for what sound you want for your project. Okay. So this is the coding for our sprite. You have to try this coding because this is your mini project. So I will give you one suggestion. Directly don't access this video. If you want to learn from the starting point, you have to access our previous videos. I will give you the link in the description box so you can learn one by one. So directly you will get all these things and meaning of each and every block you will get there. Okay. After that, we have to do the little bit coding for our backdrop also. So when we will press the S key, so which backdrop we want. Okay, you have to take that backdrop. You have to initially set your time to 100. See, if I will run this, initially the time is 100. And how many times it will touch, your point will decrease from here. Okay, so what will happen? We have to show the variable time also and score also. And when flag is clicked, we want the time to 0 and we have to hide this variable. Okay. Initially, when I will run, so you will not get any variable here. Okay. But when backdrop will switch, then you will get your variable. Okay. After that, what we want here, when we will press the S key in the forever, if your score is 100, then you need to broadcast your level to, you have to change your score by 10. Okay, even you can change by 20 also or 30 also according to your choice. And then we need to switch our backdrop. In the same way, when I will press our I key, we want to switch or we want to see our backdrop too. So what is our backdrop to? Which is this one, which is instruction. Okay. After that, when you will receive the level 2, so now you have to change your time by 16. Okay, so in this way you can do the coding for your backdrop and you can do the coding for your sprite. Okay, so in this project we have 5 backdrop, 5 sprite. You can try this project, and once you will complete this project, you have to share your project link with me. How you will share that? In the comment section, you can just put the project. I will see that and I will give you the review. Okay. So this is our mini project. You have to try this. Okay. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon if you want more latest update. So thank you so much.